There is an eerie silence with the lockdown across the world. Heart is heavy, filled with loneliness, fear, and anxiety. The virus is spreading fast, faster than we ever imagined. Some are seriously ill, some have already left us. China says they are recovering, while physicians across America are worried about the lack of facilities. With this insane escalation of the virus, the world has awakened to a new reality. People have started to reflect upon their lives. We celebrated walking on the moon. We boasted about technological advancements. Superpowers challenge nations with all their military might. But today, we are homebound. We have shut our doors to our own kith and kin. Even mosquitoes must be laughing at us. This is a decisive moment, a moment shrouded in the fear of our own vulnerable existence. Yet, if we act consciously, this could be the best moment in the history of mankind. At a time we can't go out, we can go inside to observe the noble silence deep within. Besides, this is also the time to offer a helping hand, especially to those who survive on daily wages. We can share a meal with those desperate elders in our vicinity. We can share any essential medical supplies with them. This is also a perfect time to seek forgiveness, remembering those who were victims of our wrongdoings. Also, this is the finest time to pay gratitude to those who cared for us all through our life. Light a lamp to dispel the darkness. Close your eyes for a moment. Let us remember those who are suffering in silence. May they recover speedily. Let us pray for the safety of medical and emergency staff. If we embrace humanity and nature with an abundance of love and compassion, this too shall pass sooner than we expected. May you enjoy an ocean of happiness, good health, and inner peace. May the blessings of the universe be with you always, always.